Welcome to the storage closet with all my containers for all my decorations. So I have the 4-pack of the 32-quart storage containers in pearl, and this one usually holds all of my summer decor, but all of that is out right now because it's July. So in the meantime, I've got fall and Christmas and spring all stacked inside these containers. And then I also have a set of the 4 clear, and the clear hold all of my DVDs and a few more decorations as well. I also like to separate my travel stuff from everything else. That way I don't have to search where did I put my travel pillowcase and just different things like that. I like to keep it all in one spot. These are great for organization, but they also stack really well. As you can see, they sit side by side, 2 in there, and then I can stack them as high as I need to. I've got 4 of these stacked up right now, pretty full, and they're staying very sturdy, one on top of the other. Highly recommend these. I had such a hard time finding storage containers like this in stores, so Amazon was my last and apparently best option.